My name is Angel Cordero. Welcome to Giant Heirloom Market. I am the store manager here at the University City location. The lighting that was installed in the store really helped enhance the bottles and the packaging of especially our private label items. I think it draws more attention and it gives it a cleaner look. The customers, when they go to a traditional or conventional grocery store, there's some dark spots, especially in the aisles. I think that it's a breath of fresh air for them, at least that's what they tell me. And the employees, from an operational perspective, are able to stock the product onto the shelf a lot better because they can see the product much more clear. Our wine department, where we're sitting right now, I think it makes the bottles pop better. Our displays that are up in the pantry area, the end caps of the perimeter of the store, when those items are highlighted, it draws the customer to the product. So I really believe that illuminating the product is a draw, and it's aesthetically, it's a lot better. Yeah, with the lighting too, we've never had any issues with maintenance or things breaking or falling apart, and they're just really easy to put up and assemble. So very user-friendly, and I think it's a home run.